My name's Mindy and I'm with the California Foundation for Agriculture in the Classroom, and we're here today to learn about Ag at Home, focusing on citrus. So the Taste and Teach commodity for December is citrus, and so we're going to explore a few different types of citrus, share some fun facts along the way, and then make some orange oil disinfectant that's using just the ingredients that we have right here, and it's super simple. So first let's talk about some of the different varieties of citrus. So lemons, I have one right here. Did you know that the acidity in lemons, along with metal conductors, create enough electricity to light a small light bulb? I had no idea, but we have a citrus page in our What's Going On student newspaper, and it says citrus squeeze the day. And along with our What's Going On newspaper, we also create an extra, which takes the pages from What's Going On and extends them further into the classroom. So there's additional activities for teachers to do. And there's actually that activity using metal conductors to light a light bulb using a battery. So you guys should check that one out. The next one is a pomelo. And this is a pomelo and that's a pomelo. And they look like a large grapefruit, but they're less acidic than a grapefruit. Now, talking about grapefruits, what makes them different, because you think that they might kind of look like an orange, but when you cut them open, they have this really pretty pink inside. So that's a grapefruit. Mandarins are the little orange things that we have right here, and these ones are actually from my backyard and our mandarin tree. But did you know that there are over 12 different varieties of mandarins? And then navel oranges is what we're going to use today, and that's these. And they get their name because the little, I forget what it's called, but this button on the end resembles a navel, and so that's, or a belly button, and that's how they got their name. So all citrus are a really good form of vitamin C, and living here in California, one citrus variety or another is pretty much available year-round. So we're pretty lucky to live in California and have the availability of citrus. And this gives you guys kind of an idea of different types of and varieties of citrus that you can try. So you could try different varieties, or you could try the same, maybe Eureka and Meyer lemons and see how they taste different. But citrus also comes in cans, and so you could use those in your taste test to see how that tastes compared to the fresh version. But now let's get into making our orange disinfectant spray, which is also an activity that is featured on our What's Going On page. And so it's an activity from Sunkist that we linked to, and now we're going to make live. So it's really easy. Just takes a little bit of prep work before, which I kind of did before so that we could move through it today. But the ingredients that you need are 3 to 4 oranges, and you just need the peels. I use navel oranges. Enough rubbing alcohol to completely submerge the oranges. The orange oil that you'll make, white vinegar, water, which we don't have here. We'll pretend, and we'll get the water at the end. Baking soda, and fresh lemon juice. So first, your first step that you would do is peel the oranges, and then you need to dry them. So a quick tip that I learned online to dry oranges is that if you take your orange peels from your 3 to 4 oranges, lay them out on a sheet pan, and then put them in the oven at 200 degrees for about 30 minutes. It dries them a lot faster than leaving them out. But if you have extra time, you could leave them out and it will do the same thing. So you would put just the dried orange peels into a mason jar, and then after you put the orange peels in, you would just put enough rubbing alcohol in it to completely submerge them, and you would let it sit in there until it starts to change color, and it'll turn orange. So once it turns orange, you'll take cheesecloth and a strainer and strain the orange peels and the oil. And this is what the oil looks like when you get that out, and then you just let that sit for a week. So I did this last Thursday, and that's how it's sitting. So now what we'll do is we're gonna make our spray, or our disinfectant. So you are going to take a half a cup of vinegar and a half a cup of water, which I will put in at the end, or after this live video ends. We'll just pretend that I'm putting it in right now. And you guys can use any type of spray bottle. I used one that I had at home that was almost empty just to repurpose. But, so you would pour that into the jar, and then you would add 1 tablespoon of fresh squeezed lemon juice. And I just squeezed this lemon juice right before we started. So we'll add 1 tablespoon. Okay. And then 4 tablespoons of baking soda. So here's 1. You can see the baking soda and the vinegar, it's making it so bubbly. 2. 3. And 4. And then you're going to take 10 to 20 drops of your orange oil. So I just got this eyedropper at our local grocery store, but you can even use, my backup plan if I couldn't find a dropper was to use just a syringe and just be really careful with the drops. So it says 10 to 20 drops, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 18, 19, 20. Okay. And you'll see you have a lot of orange oil left, so this could go a long ways. And then you put the lid on and shake it up, and you're ready to go. And so like I said, we'll add the water afterwards, and the water will help with the baking soda. But this, with sometimes disinfectant spray being a little bit hard to find, this is a really easy alternative that you can make with products at home that's, all natural and safe for kids. So thanks for joining us and to learn about Ag at Home, and we hope you enjoyed this quick, easy activity involving citrus, and we hope that you share with us how you're trying to citrus this month. Thank you so much.